Hi, it's Darno, We Live in Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a head of cabbage in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL pressure cooker steam fryer. And we'll see how it does steaming up some veggies right now. Okay, so let me show you what I have going on here. Got one head of cabbage. I've got some celery. And I've also got some carrots that I'm going to put in there as well. I like little small carrots. So what I'm going to do, I've got the deluxe rack here. I'm going to put some of the cabbage on that. So I'm just kind of opening up and putting the lower part in, and I'll put some on that, and then I'll use this extension, the other level, if I need it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this cabbage in half, and let me get the core off the back of it though first. Just cutting that off. So we got the core off, and so now I'll cut it in half, and I'm gonna basically cut it into about 1/2-inch strips. I'm using Ninja's recommended cooking method for this. Whoa, be careful, don't cut yourself. I'm using Ninja's recommended method for this, so this won't be a printed recipe on the superwaveovenrecipes.com website. I'm just basically doing what Ninja recommends in their own recipe guide. So got things cut in half. Now I'm just going to cut it in like 1/2-inch strips. So finish cutting here. There we go. I'm just going to throw this in here like this, as is. Put that leaf in there like that. So this level's pretty full with that half of it. And I'm going to take some of these carrots, I guess, take about half my carrots and just cut them in half right quick, throw them in there. There we go. Just toss them in, let them go wherever they go. Take some celery here, cut the celery in half. Just going to take some of the celery and cut it down into smaller portions. Throw some celery in there, like that. Okay, I think I still got some more room on the side here, so I'm going to take some more of this cabbage here, cut it in half. Fit some over here, fit some over there. That looks good. I've got some applewood smoked sea salt and some black pepper. I'll just freshly grind and put on in there. Just put a little pepper in there. And before I put the salt on, I'm going to pour, I got 2 cups of water here. So I'm just going to pour that on the side, kind of get that down in there. That's good. I guess if you want to use like a stock or something, you can do that too, if that's your choice to use that instead of water. But just getting some salt on there. And then take the other half of cabbage. Well, first I'm going to put this other layer in. See if I can, maybe I can fit some stuff on top if I lay it flat enough. So let's see what I can do here. Cut this into some 1/2-inch strips. Oops. Be careful. It's kind of flopping around. I think I should have cut the center core. I guess I could have cut the center core out of the cabbage as well, but I didn't. So anyway, you can take care of that when you do yours if you want. That thing's kind of stuffed in here. I think I'm going to remove this top level and put some more down lower, because this cabbage is taking up a whole lot of room in here. Let's see. Leaf's in the way. Okay. I think I'm just not going to use the top level because things are getting pretty full in the pot. This one head of cabbage is taking up a lot of room. So it's just going to be all stuffed on top of, a bunch of cabbage stuffed on top of one another. Do that like this. Alright, I'll cut up some more celery. Toss some more of that in there. Take some more carrots. Cut them in half, toss some more carrots in there. There we go. Alright, be careful with your knife. You don't want to cut yourself. Alright. Put some more salt and pepper in. Alright, just going to try and move things around so that nothing's too close to the top to get burned or anything. Although steam should really come up from the bottom, right? But anyway, don't want anything too high. So we'll close up with that. And let me turn things on. Turn it this way a little bit. Make sure that we got things over here like that. There we go. We want that steam. That's the steam we want. And for the steam setting, we want to do 20 minutes cooking time. Well, you can do 20 to 22. I guess I got so much. I'm going to do 22 because I got so much. So we're on the steam setting, which you keep over here on the air fry stovetop for the top thing here. Then steam. And then hit start. So it's doing its preheat, and basically I'll go ahead and let it cook. I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, so the cook just came to an end, so I'm going to go ahead and I guess I'll just turn it off and open up, let you see what's going on. Let's see, touching my cabinet. Move that. Alright, so there you have the finished cabbage, and all steamed up nice and looks pretty good. I'm just going to get some out, put it in a bowl here, see if I can grab a little carrot. Got a little piece of carrot. See if I can grab a piece of celery there. But there you go. We'll do a quick taste test. So thank God for this food. Gonna go ahead and taste. I'll try the carrot first. Okay, the carrot's nicely steamed. It's still got a little bit of crisp to it. I'm just going to try the little piece of celery stalk just to see how firm that is as well. Okay, the celery stalk had just a little firmness, just a little bit, not a lot, not as much as the carrot. But try a piece of cabbage here, cabbage leaf. Okay, it did a good job on the cabbage because the cabbage still has some crisp to it. And so that's pretty good. It's got a pretty good amount of crisp while still being steamed. So it's like you can chew through it, it's steamed, but it's still got some good crispiness to it. It's pretty good. It's not like too crisp. It's not like fresh crisp, but it's not like over steamed either. It did a great job on the cabbage, and the settings used were specifically from Ninja for the cabbage, so turned out well. So I hope that you did like this. Nothing in this video is sponsored, just wanted to show you. And in the video description there are lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donation, link to the Amazon shop, pay the same price, help the channel. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.